Hey guys, this is JC Matthews with Simply Insurance, and today I want to go over how fast and easy it is to get covered with the Jetty Renter's Insurance product. You're not going to believe how straightforward and simple it is. So pretty much you land on the landing page, and as you can see, the key to a new set of keys for busy renters. So all you're going to do, guys, to get started is go down here. It says enter your address. Just click there. This new screen will pop open and you put in your address. Now, today I'm not going to put in my actual address, but just an apartment that's down here in Atlanta, Georgia. And as you see, guys, it's actually filling itself in. So it kind of is looking for what I'm typing in. This is the address. Okay. And then you want to put your apartment or unit number in. Okay. And then it's going to ask for your email address, guys. So this is the point where the process after this is pretty straightforward. It's very simple. Just gonna knock my email address in there, and you click the get quote button. It's loud and blue, you can't miss it, and it says get ready to Jetty. That's pretty cool, right? So at this point, it is basically asking you to pick your renter's plan, and it's pretty simple. It says, here are some popular packages to get you started. So you have the basic plan, the essential plan, which is the plan they recommend, and the premium plan. Now, of course, if you notice right here where my mouse is, the difference in these three plans is definitely going to be the limits, protection. Okay. Now, another cool thing about this is that right down at the bottom, there's a view more details button. So if I was to click that, a new screen opens up, guys. It shows me what the monthly premium is, and it gives me the ability to actually start managing the deductible. So, if I say, hey, you know what? I actually just want a $100 deductible. It'll update in real time, and as you see, the rate will change as well. So this is a pretty cool feature. So if you want to make changes to a policy that you like, you can. You can also add, an additional interest or landlord, or if anyone lives with you, you can add them to the policy as well. Now, up under that is where you get into all the details of the policy, guys. Basic plan features, it tells you contents, it tells you what it is, what contents and coverage is, what liability coverage is, and also gives you the ability to change the coverage amounts, okay? All the way, from 6,000 up to 250,000. If, liability the same, loss of use, as well as medical payments. Now, the cool thing about this is that it has what's called bed bug protection included. And pretty much just, if you get bed bugs, they'll cut your check for $300. So that's pretty neat. That's a pretty great benefit to have. And they also want to let you know that there are some additional protections you can add for your pet, but that this is not pet health insurance, which is very important to know. Pet health insurance is the only type of insurance that will cover a pet for, vet visits and things of that nature. Now, you also have what's called plan power-ups, okay? Now, this specific plan already came with a plan power-up. If something happens to your electronics, it covers it up to $1,000. Of course, here you can change that amount as well. Extended valuables protection is it basically extends the protection, and it allows let's say your pet chews your laptop, or or scratches your remote control. It'll cover those things as well. So it's a pretty straightforward product and addition to add. And then extended Airbnb theft protection, which is a pretty neat product. I think that if you add this, if you're Airbnb, you rent it out to your apartment, adding this additional coverage is awesome. And it's only for, right here it's saying from $3 a month. So it's pretty straightforward. And then of course it just shows you get additional member benefits from these different products, and you can learn more. So this is pretty much how straightforward and simple it is, guys. Once you've decided, hey, this is the product that I want, you just click this pay now button, and look, you're on the screen to sign out. You pretty much just put all your information in, your name, date of birth, your phone number, create a password, put your payment information in, click the I have reviewed and agreed to the terms of service button, and you pay. It tells you what your address is, your summary, your basic plan, how much you're paying for power-ups, what's due today, and then what's going on monthly. Now, one thing to pay attention to, guys, is that you do have the option to pay monthly or annually. Now, you're going to save $25 a year if you pay annually, and you see once I press that, it shows updating. So, your annual charge is $272 if you pay it all up front. Or, on a monthly basis, you end up paying $297 throughout the year. So, it's about a $25 difference. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like saving money. So, if you can afford it, I definitely recommend going with the annual option. And if not, hey, just start with the monthly option. Always go with what you can comfortably afford when you're purchasing insurance to make sure that you always are able to pay for your coverage. So this is pretty much it, guys. It's very straightforward. That, you know, once you submit it, you know, you covered, and you're going to get your email confirmations. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me, jmatthews@simplyinsurance.co.